Hey people, this show called um, Unsolved Mysteries was released on Netflix yesterday, and really, like the kind of there was this one episode that had apparently in 1969 on September 1st there was a, a real sighting of a UFO in this place called Great Barrington in this United States. So I mean, it's like this UFO was seen by a group of people, like in different places, and so it's like it gives you goosebumps. Yeah, I mean, apparently, and there were these two children, and yeah, there's one particular family that they they found themselves teleported into that spaceship, but none of them have any real recollections of what happened there. So my god, watching this Unsolved Mysteries on Netflix can really give you goosebumps. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I'm very particular now that my videos should be only 1 minute long. That's why this super short video. Thanks for watching, people.